Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making 3 different type of wraps. The first wrap I'm making is a BLT. So I'm also going to be adding some onions. Now I'm just adding some seasonings, and then I'm going to fold it up and then grill it in the grill pan. So I added some oil and then put it in the pan, let it cook on each side. Now it's time to start the tuna wrap. So I put the tuna in the bowl, added some onions. Now I'm adding a little adobo and some pepper. I'm also going to add a little sazon. If you never tried it in your tuna, you need to try it. Now I'm just mixing everything up, and then I'm going to be adding the tuna, the lettuce, tomato, and extra onions on the wrap. Now it's time to fold it, and then I'm going to grill it in the pan. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, so now that that's done, it's time to make the chicken wrap. So I'm using some grilled chicken. So I'm going to be adding the grilled chicken, lettuce, tomato, onion, avocado, and cheese. Okay, so now I'm just going to fold it. Now I'm going to put it in a grilled pan to let it cook on each side, and then I'm going to show you how it looks.